Hello everyone, I'm happy to have you back. Today we are going to talk about Forex Brokers. So we all know that without broker, you actually cannot trade in the Forex market. You cannot buy or sell currency, stocks or other assets because Forex Brokers actually connect you with the market, right? Correct, connect you with the activities that's going on in the market. So you can actually take a buy trade, take a sell trade, take orders in the market because your broker is the one responsible for that connection between you and the market. So your broker actually stands as a middleman between you and the forex market. So let's talk about brokers today. So lesson plan for today, we are going to cover what is a broker, types of brokers, how brokers make money, choosing broker or choosing a good broker, my recommended broker, right? How to sign up for my recommended broker and how to access the 50% deposit bonus. So what is a broker? A broker is simply the middleman who gives you access to financial markets. Without the broker, you cannot buy or sell currency, stock, or other assets. So the broker actually connects you with the market, right? Then link you up with the forex market. So we have types of brokers. There are different types of brokers depending on what you want to trade. So we have the forex brokers for trading currency like USD, UPUSD, and just currency pairs, right? So these are forex brokers. We have the stock brokers for buying and selling company shares like Apple or Tesla, right? So these are stock brokers. We have the CFD brokers for trading contracts on commodities, indices, and heavy metals, right? So we have the CFD brokers, right? And we also have crypto brokers for trading digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So these are types of brokers, right? So how brokers make money? So brokers literally don't do those activities for free. They make money in the process of linking with the market, and this is how they do that. So brokers don't work for free, right? They usually make money through spread, the difference between the buying and selling price. So there is a difference, a small difference between when you buy or when you place a buy sell or a buy order or a sell order. So there actually difference. So that difference is called spread. So they make money from those little difference for placing the order for you, right? Those little difference, they make money from it and it's called spread. So you have commission on a small fee per trade. So you place a trade, they'll charge you a small fee for placing that order or executing that order. They are going to charge you a little fee, right? So almost every broker does that, either through spread or through commission. Through overnight charges, if you keep your trade, ongoing trade, overnight, they tend to charge you for holding that position overnight. So how to choose a good broker? When choosing a broker, always check if they are regulated by financial authority. Do they offer low spread and commission? Is it easy to deposit and withdraw your money? Do they provide good customer support? Very important. Is their platform easy to use? So you have to check these criteria before choosing a broker. And that is why I'll be recommending my forex broker. Though I make use of several brokers, right? But I recommend this for you guys. Alright, so you need to know if they are regulated, their low spread and commission, right? I know they charge this money, they make money. So you want to know if they are charging less or smaller amounts per commission or spread. Is it easy to deposit and withdraw your money? Can you withdraw your money out of that brokerage account? Do they provide good customer support in case you run out or run into problems? Can you contact them? Do they have life support? So you have to check all these before choosing a broker. So my recommended broker, right, I'll trade the market for you, and they are regulated. They are regulated online broker that connects traders to global financial markets. They offer competitive spreads, flexible leverage up to 1 to 4,000, right? And support MT4 and MT5 platform. They also support the web. You can also sign and trade to the web, right? And with multiple account types, fast deposit and withdrawals, and a 50% deposit bonus. So Market for You is designed to support both beginners and experienced traders. Why I recommend you to sign up with Market for You through the link in my bio, or you can check my description. You see the link there. My recommended broker. I click on it to sign up. Why I want you to actually sign up with Market for You today? These are the reasons. They are regulated brokers, right? Licensed by the FSC in BVI and Mauritius. They provide segregated client funds and negative balance protection for safety. So very, very important, negative balance protection for safety. They offer competitive spread from 0.10 pips and every commission-free account. They give traders good leverage up to 1 to 4,000 with flexible options by account type. They support multiple account types, including Classic, Pro, Cent, and Swap Free for Islamic traders. They provide access to over 150 instruments, including forex, stock, indices, gold, oil, and crypto. They support MT5, MT4 platform plus web and mobile apps. They have good copy trading, which is a share for you. So beginners can follow professional traders. They offer fast deposit and withdrawals with low minimum requirements and instant auto withdrawal for partners. They reward clients with a 50% deposit bonus, cashback programs, and loyalty reward. They provide 24/7 multilingual support, cultural webinars, and market analysis tools. So if you check all these put down here, I actually recommend this broker for you. If you are watching this video right now, go to my bio or the link in my description. You see recommended broker and sign up with that. But before then, this is how to do that. So how to sign up with markets for you. So this few step, I'm going to show you how to actually sign up with the market for you, get your account verified, and actually start trading the market for you today. Alright, so how to sign up with markets for you. So you just have to come to my channel description, click on more, scroll down and you see recommended broker. Click on the link. You just click on the link and you'll be directed to a sign up page or registration page. And what you have to do there, you just have to fill your information, like country of residence. So I'm in Nigeria, alright. You put Nigeria here and your email address. I'll put my Germany 18@gmail.com. Alright, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using this email address and the password. Alright, so what you have to do, you'll have to email a code to your, alright, so an email will be sent to you. Alright, quick one guys, so this is the email address that was sent to me. So we are just going to copy it, and we paste it here. So contribute, I'll click on verify. Alright, so this is actually your account, your dashboard. Your account has been created. What you need to do next, come to this client ID, click on client ID, so you can actually verify your account. So your account has been created successfully. Alright, so this is actually my screen. So go on Play Store. When you're on Play Store, search for markets for you. So this market for you, and this is a mobile app. Click on it and download. If you don't have it yet, you download it. But if you have it, you just log in. So this is your mobile app. So I'm going to log in with the new account you just created. Right, so what I have to do here, I'll come on profile. So let me log out from this account and log in with the account you just created. So I'm logged out. Yeah. So let's log in again. So log in with email. So the email was Gemini at gmail.com and the password was moment okay, momentum 1234. So that was the password. So let's actually log in and see. Alright, so they ask you to click in. I'll just put 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll verify my fingerprints. Alright, so our account has been logged in to our phone. So first name I'll just put marvelous Cassie. Alright, our phone number, the phone number I put 31090093. Click on complete. Alright, so what you have to do next, how to actually connect our broker to our MT5. What you need to do now is how to create, so you can actually verify your account here at once. Right, so instead of going to the web page, you can actually verify your account here. So what is a demo account? Let's create a demo account right now and add a demo account. So create an account, right? And the account has been created. What we have to do, we have to go to our Gmail. You see the details to that account that has been created. Okay, so this is it. What you have to do, you have to copy this global demo, right? That is the server. Copy the server and come here and paste it. So this is it. Now, how to access this? You see here, just come down here, click on demo, right? So it's on demo right now. So copy the login So this is actually the login. Copy the login, go back and okay, demo, copy the login, paste it here, and copy the password. So this is actually the password, and we have this demo set. Alright, so click on login. Alright, so our account has been logged in. So this is actually the demo we just created. Marvelous, that's right. Yep, this is the demo account we just created. So this is how to basically log in and sign up, log into your mobile app and actually link your account. To get your account verified, when you're depositing, make sure you make use of the 50% deposit bonus. Right. So this is basically how to sign up with market for you and also verify your account. So whenever you create your account, check your Gmail, all the details will be sent to you. And with that, you can actually log in with your NT5 or your NT4 platform. Alright, so guys, basically this is all for the lecture. Thank you. So you can like, subscribe, and comment. If you're missing anything or you want me to talk about anything, comment below. And you can actually join my WhatsApp channel, my Telegram channel, right? So it's actually a new community, so you can actually join now. So see you guys later.